Welcome to this video. If you're watching this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop spinning your wheels and make sales with Clickbank or any other affiliate product. You could also use this for your own products. It's going to be a short video, but the way it will help you is if you feel that you've been spinning your wheels, if you feel that you've tried all different types of products, different types of traffic methods, and you just can't seem to make sales, or you can't seem to make sales at a profit or on a consistent basis, then this will really help you. And I won't make it a long-winded video. I'm going to get straight into it, and watch to the end, because I've also got a way that I can help you implement this with the Clickbank secret formula that goes more in depth into how to set this up step by step. So if you're interested in that, do check out the link in the description. It will take you through to this page, and you can watch the video at the top for all the details on the Clickbank secret formula. But let's get into it in this video. I want to give you some information that will really help you, and I'm going to start off with 3 things that you need to know to make a sale even before you pick your product. And once you have these things down, you'll find the whole thing a lot easier. So the first 3 things that you need to know are this little equation here. So what have we got here? We've got product person times sale. So what does it mean? This is worth writing down. It's very basic, but so many people don't know this. Once you know this, you know the equation that will help you to make sales, and that is this: the right product to the right person at the right time equals a sale. Okay, so to keep it really simple, if you've got the right product to the right person at the right time, that equals a sale. So an example of this would be a product, how to get a 6-pack, to a person that's actively looking to get a 6-pack. That's the time. Okay, and that would far more likely to result in a sale. If you got it to the person at the wrong time, maybe a 6-pack, and they've already started on another program, so that would be the wrong time. Okay, so don't overcomplicate it, but once you know that, you will understand far easier the second part of this that a lot of people miss. So you've got the product, the right person, the right time equals a sale. So where do people fall down, and where, maybe if you're watching this, where you fall down when you're trying to make sales? I'll give you an example, and I'll explain exactly what to do. So the reasons that people fall down when they're trying to make sales with Clickbank or any affiliate offer is they go and they just look at key phrases, whether it's pay-per-click, whether it's social media, whether it's through SEO. They just look at key phrases, and they don't look at the intention behind them. They don't look how likely someone is to actually buy. What they do is they look at volumes, okay, search volumes. So, and that is true somewhat, but if we have, I'll give you an example using the same one. If we have a 6-pack ab guide, and you set up a pay-per-click, and all you do is promote under weight loss, that's not very good targeting. And even if you promote under get 6-pack abs, yes, it's targeted, but it might not be targeted enough to get the person at the right time. So what's the solution to this, to getting your targeting right? If you get your targeting right, it will mean that you'll get in front of people that are far more likely to buy at the right time. That's really important. And it also means for you, no matter what traffic method that you're using, whether it's social media, Facebook ads, pay-per-click, or SEO, it also means that you're far more likely to be able to compete. If you're using pay-per-click, you're not having to spend massive amounts of money on ads to make sales. If you're using SEO, you're able to actually get ranked. So the key thing that you want to ask yourself before you promote a product is to look at the top pain points and the questions around the product, the intention that someone would have before they buy. And I've got an example of this. To go more targeted, if you've got how to lose weight, that would become how to lose belly fat. Okay, if you've got dieting, diet to lose weight, you're better off targeting a specific subset, so like a specific demographic, diets for over 40s, um, diets for post pregnancy. Okay, so it might sound not worth doing when I'm saying it like that. It might sound like there's not enough people, but what will happen is if you're targeting specifically the right person and you've really narrowed down on that person and you're targeting people that are far more likely to buy based on the pain points that they're going through and the questions that they're going through, not only are you far more likely to get the targeting right and get more traffic, but you're far more likely to get a sale. So the main thing to remember is there's no point in you having a huge amount of traffic going through to your site if none of that traffic is targeted. So if you remember that and you put that into place, it will be far easier to rank. So a quick breakdown. Understand, let me bring this up for you. Understand that the right product, the right person at the right time. Okay, Clickbank makes that easy because you've got products that are proven to sell with high gravities and people making money from them. So you don't have to worry too much about the sales copy, but you do have to worry about the targeting, and you do have to worry about the value of the content that you're giving them. Okay, so gone are the days of just writing getting ranked or a pay-per-click when you're not giving value. So if you actually help solve some of their problems, specific problems that make them far more likely to buy, and then the product fits in with a solution to that problem, you will make sales. So a quick recap, look at the top pain points, okay? Not just weight loss, that's not a pain point, that's a situation, that's an actual that's being in a situation. But you want to look at the pain points. Why does someone want to lose weight, and how do they specifically want to do it, and more importantly, why are they failing? What are the things, and help with those pain points with a product that fits in with the top questions around those pain points, and then offer value. In doing so, you're far more likely to make sales. So a simple formula, a thing that most people miss. If you're interested in help with doing this, check out the link below. It will take you through to this page, and the video at the top will explain exactly how I can help you apply the Clickbank secret formula. So that's the how the formula works. But if you want help applying that and getting traffic and picking the right products, do check out the link and I will help you do it. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel if you've enjoyed this, if you're looking to build income streams online, and give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Have a fantastic day, guys. I hope that helps. Let me know if any questions below, and I'll see you in the next one.